Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to add background sound to your Snapchat photos or videos like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So before we begin, make sure you update your Snapchat app to the latest version by going into your App Store or your Play Store. Once updated, open the app. Now on this screen, at the top right, you'll see this menu here. Expand it by tapping on the down arrow. Now tap on Sounds. Select your music from this list. You can select it from the playlist, from the recommended list, or from the favorite list. Once you've selected it, it should appear at the bottom of the screen like this. You can now select what part of the song you want by holding down and moving your fingers to the right or left. Then press play to hear the music. Once you take a picture or record a video, that sound will be displayed in the background. For example, when I take a picture, you'll see the music player appear on screen and you can move it wherever you want. When I record a video, the music will be your background music. Again, you can move the player wherever you like. Unfortunately, you cannot hear the music, as then this video will be flagged as copyright. And there you go, that is how to add background music to your Snapchat photos or videos. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.